My name is Tori Watson. I'm a senior computer science major with a concentration in cybersecurity at Prairie, A&M. And I'm also part of the Raytheon and Prairie, A&M Panther Bikes team. I learned a lot about RTX from working or interning at Lockheed a long time ago, and I really was interested in learning more about the defense industry. So when our team picked this project, I was pretty excited to learn how I could get involved with learning about the machinery and coding as well.
I'm David Montgomery. I basically serve as a team lead for this project. As you may know, I go to Prairie, A&M University. I'm a computer science major as well, and I'll be graduating in this May. The progress that we've made given our circumstances from the beginning of the year to now are astronomical, I would say. So like the progress that we've made from the beginning of the year, starting in January to now, I feel like every day that we get closer and closer to the competition, we start to notice ourselves like doing things that are like getting the parts of the project that we didn't think we'd really get to. So it's like now we're really working on the water dispensing part, and it's like coming into fruition. So we're really excited about that and like seeing how far we can go up until the competition.
It's Vincent Onwe, and working with RTX has been a good experience, also been a very stressful one, but that's to be expected, of course. So the camera is going to be placed onto our aerial vehicle. It connects to a Raspberry Pi. Think of it as a motherboard that holds all the code, all the big thought processes in the machine. And that camera, what it's going to have to do is it's going to have to look down at the ground, see an RUCO marker, which is basically just a big QR code, recognize that, and with those markers it can recognize the ground vehicle, which our group is also creating, as well as other ground vehicles of other teams, and attack those with water or some kind of different attack method. I don't know what they'll do next year, but that's how it goes.
Daryl Hayes, I'm a graduating senior, also a computer science major. Project's going steady. We could have had more time, maybe like for the budget, and like time constraints have really just held us back. But the main like thing that I was concerned about was just time. But people are doing like their own independent research and trying to figure out what will work and what won't work. And that's the best thing about being collaborative in this space too.
I would say come and follow us on YouTube, on our Instagram. Make sure that you're supporting our Prairie Panthers, our Panther Bites, and our CS team we're gonna win. So come watch us and hope to see you there.